Ever wondered if you could just have a digital address, a gateway to the world of crypto, without paying a dime? Like, just wake up one day and boom, you're in the game? We're talking specifically about a Gemini address, a portal to a major exchange. It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let's peel back the layers and see if we can unlock this mystery together. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. What exactly is a Gemini address, and why would you want one? Gemini is a well-known cryptocurrency exchange and custodian, a platform where you can buy, sell, and store digital assets. Think of it like a digital bank, but instead of dollars or euros, you're dealing with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a whole host of other cryptocurrencies. Your Gemini address, in essence, is your unique identifier on this platform. It's like your bank account number or your email address. It's how Gemini knows where to send your crypto and how you receive funds from others. It's crucial for any transaction within the Gemini ecosystem. So, the burning question, can you get this address for free? The short answer is yes, absolutely. You don't pay for the address itself. What you're doing when you get a Gemini address is really creating a Gemini account. And creating a Gemini account is free. Here's how it works. You head over to the Gemini website or download their mobile app. You'll be prompted to sign up, which involves providing some basic personal information, like your name, email address, and creating a strong password. This is standard procedure for any regulated financial platform. They need to verify your identity to comply with anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. This is not some arbitrary hurdle, it is a legal requirement. These regulations are in place to prevent illicit activities and ensure the safety of the platform and its users. Think of it as a digital security check. It's there to protect you and everyone else using the exchange. Once you've provided your initial information, you'll likely need to complete a more thorough verification process. This might involve uploading a photo of your government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport, and possibly even a selfie to confirm your identity. This might seem a bit intrusive, but it's a necessary step. Again, this is not just Gemini being nosy, it is a legal requirement. Once your verification is complete, you'll have full access to your Gemini account and, by extension, your Gemini address. Now, here's where some confusion might arise. While creating the account and getting the address is free, using the platform for transactions isn't always. Gemini, like any exchange, charges fees for certain activities, such as buying and selling crypto. These fees are how they make money. Think of it like this, you get the key to the bank vault for free, but if you want to use the bank services, like exchanging currency or making transfers, there might be a small fee. So, what are these potential costs? Well, Gemini's fee structure can vary depending on the type of transaction you're making and the volume of your trades. They offer different fee tiers, and the more you trade, the lower your fees might be. They also have different fee schedules for their web platform versus their mobile app. It's crucial to understand these fees before you start trading. You don't want to be caught off guard by unexpected charges. Gemini provides detailed information about their fees on their website, so take some time to familiarize yourself with them. Another aspect to consider is the cost of moving your crypto in and out of Gemini. While receiving crypto to your Gemini address is generally free, withdrawing crypto might incur a network fee. These fees, often called gas fees, are paid to the blockchain network to process your transaction. They vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the network congestion. Imagine you're sending a letter. The postage is the network fee. The more people sending letters, the higher the postage might be. Similarly, the more transactions happening on the blockchain, the higher the gas fees might be. So, to recap, getting a Gemini address or creating a Gemini account is free. You'll go through a verification process to comply with regulations, and you'll have access to your unique address. However, you'll encounter fees when you use the platform for trading or withdrawing crypto. Now, let's talk about some practical tips for using your Gemini address. Once you have it, You can use it to receive crypto from anyone, anywhere in the world. Just like sharing your email address, you can share your Gemini address with others to receive crypto. When sending crypto to your Gemini address, double-check that you're sending the correct cryptocurrency to the correct address. Sending the wrong crypto to the wrong address can result in permanent loss of funds. This is crucial. Always triple-check. Also, be mindful of security. Protect your Gemini account with a strong password and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for anyone to access your account without your permission. Think of it like having two locks on your front door. One lock is your password, and the other is your 2FA code. Another key point is to keep your recovery phrase safe. If you lose access to your account, this phrase is your only way to recover it. Store it offline, in a secure location. Don't share it with anyone. This is your master key. If it is lost, so are your funds. Now, let's address a common concern. Are there any hidden costs associated with a free Gemini address? The answer is no, not for the address itself. However, as we discussed, transaction fees and network fees are part of using any cryptocurrency exchange. It's important to be transparent about these costs. Gemini, like other exchanges, needs to cover its operational expenses and comply with regulations. These fees are a standard part of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. The world of crypto is constantly evolving. New regulations, new technologies, and new trends are always emerging. Staying informed and up to date is crucial for navigating this complex landscape. So, to summarize, getting a free Gemini address is essentially creating a free Gemini account. You'll need to complete a verification process, and you'll encounter fees for trading and withdrawing crypto. Understand these fees, protect your account, and stay informed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.